Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to set up the toggle switch for a React application in the next 5 minutes. You don't have much time, so let's get back into that. Firstly we have one of our components, that is the theme component, and we have one context, that is the theme context. And here we would be using something called use context. So like for those who don't know what use context does, it is similar to like what we do with the props. Like we pass the values to another components from the parent component to the children component, and the same goes on for use context. But in the props we have to pass the values to all of those components where we want to use the values from the parent component. But when we are using use context, the code is more reusable, and we don't have to write the same lines of code again. And if you want to learn more on this, you can just read on this on the React official site. So let's work on the next one. Now we need create context over here. We also need the use state, so let's import that one. Apart from that, we need the React functional component, and now we need to set up some things. So I would be doing that, and I will be letting you know when I'm done. So we are done with this this context. So firstly we are creating the context over here, and we are storing that value in the theme context. Then we are using our context, and we are passing the theme context over here. And this is the normal way we use, we create context and we use context. Now we are having the theme provider function that that would be sending the data. This is the parent component, so this would be sending the data to all of its children component. And here we are using use state, and initially by default we are setting the mode as light mode. And here we have the toggle theme. So like this would be our toggle switch, by the help of which we can switch to light mode and dark mode, and this is the logic for that. And at last we have a theme context dot provider, and this is the basic syntax that comes with use context when we are using the use context. And most importantly, we need to pass the value over here, what are the things that we want to use in the another components. So that is the theme in which we are storing, either it's light mode or dark mode, and that is the toggle theme by the help of which we can toggle the mode. So now let's work on the theme component. So let me add the React functional component, and I'll set this up again and I'll let you know. So we are done with our theme component as well. So like in this, we are using the use theme that we have created over here by the help of use context. Yeah, this one. And we are passing two values, that is the theme and the toggle theme that we have passed over here in the parent component. And then after, we just have some custom stylings over here, and we have the button, that is the toggle button. So this is the logic for that, I believe. Yeah, this one, if it's in the light mode, then we would change the color code to hash triple F, that is the white color code. Else we would change the color to the hash triple three. I think that's grace black, something like that. That's a color code. So with that being said, let's first check our application how this is being working right now. So let's move on that. Yeah, let's reload this once again. And this is the light theme, this is the dark theme, but we can add we can add some more things in that. So let's add some good UI over here to make it much better. So for that, I would like to go on this website, that is uiverse.io, and you can select whatever the toggle switch you wanna select from here. I would be going with this one, so let me copy this code and paste this one over here in the button one. So we would be adding this one, and in this we need to add the on click function, that would be the toggle theme, and we need to wrap this up. Then after, we don't need the path. If you need, you can go with that, but in my case I don't need one. And we need to copy the stylings as well. So let's come on to the stylings, copy this one, simply paste this over here, and let's check our application. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, so we have the button, but we can make it a more better. So Let us do something, add some stylings over here so we can center this one and it would be good to go, guys. So I believe I have, yeah, I have the styling for that. So let's get back to our application. So this is the light theme, this is the dark theme. With that being said, you are good to go, guys.